Listen, sister, don't chew me out. Now, don't chew me out. I know it's been a minute. Welcome back to another video. First of all, I don't even know what the fuck we're doing today, but we're going to do something, okay? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to cleanse the skin. Now, I put my Micellar Water in here. I usually either use this or a toner, but I'm not gonna lie, my face has been clearing up a little bit, and that's because I've been using this 6 pesticide booster by Corrector. Put it in my hand like this, just going to town with it. Like, it would be doing better if I stay consistent with everything that I do, but that's one thing that I am struggling with in 2026. But it's okay, we still got some time to improve, okay? And you know, I'm doing better than what I was doing last year. Let's start there, okay? That's progress. I'm gonna go into the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the magic cream. You don't really need a lot. Now, you know I love a glowy skin look, okay? So I'm going to go into the L'Oreal. This is the Glotion, and this is in the Deep Glow 904, okay? It just looks so even toned. And I will say, a lot of people say highlighting under the eyes really don't make a difference, but it actually does, especially if you have hyperpigmentation. You see under my eyes how it was very, very like dark under there, and now you see that everything is even in tone. That's what highlighting does. It eliminates what needs to be gone. Something that's illuminating under the foundation without color correcting, basically, that's what highlighting does. It gets rid of that imperfecting without adding a bunch of product, if that makes sense. I hope that makes sense to you. I really do. Now, sister, between me and you, this is a makeup artist secret, okay? You want that beautiful, blended, very soft skin. Listen, you don't judge me until you try it, and that's actually what we're going to do today. So I'm going to mix this in with my Lancome foundation, and you guys are going to see exactly what it does. Back of my hand, I'll go ahead and take my all-in-one cream. Take about 3 or 4 pumps of my foundation. Mix it together. It basically turns it into a moisturizer.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow.
Don't ever say Amber Corley and put you onto anything. Now, I will say it is a little deeper, but it's okay because we're definitely going to go in and conceal with a lighter shade. This is very perfect for the girlies that want a full coverage, but not that feeling of full coverage during the summertime. This right here is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Then with it being so light, you can actually put that under the eyes for more coverage. Look at that.
Skin, baby. Skin is giving good. Good.
She's gorgeous. Try it out and see if you like it. Now for highlighting, I'm going to go into the Best Skin Ever by Sephora. And this is in the shade 19 to highlight my face. I'm going to go under the brow bone. And I'm a girly that likes a light beat. I love to do my brows last because that's really what gives like that soft effect. Upper lip. Just like this. And this is the placement. Bang it. Bang. Another shade of the Best Skin Ever. This is before they switched out their bottles, I believe. This is in the shade 26.5, more on the lighter side, but it's okay because we really love a brightness as well. So I'm gonna apply it under the brow bone and under the eye. Boom. And now we're just gonna let that sit. I love to use 2 types of brushes to blend out my concealer. I love to go in with the Foxfoot by Real Technique, and I love to go in with the highlighter brush by Real Technique. These 2 brushes are my favorite to blend out concealer. I don't care what nobody says. Like, it gets the job done. You still have full coverage. Like, just, she does its thing. And I will say, I've had my Real Technique brushes for a very, very long time. It's been, what? I've had some of them for like 5 years now. No shedding, no anything. Like, they last a very, very long time. I love Real Technique. One thing about this concealer, I will say, it does dry fast, so you have to make sure you blend it real good and real fast. but the coverage of this concealer is crazy.
While I'm blending out this concealer, I really want you guys to go ahead and subscribe since you've been watching me for 5 minutes and you're here almost every time I post. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me how you liking the look so far. Tell me your favorite concealers. Tell me your favorite things to blend with, your favorite foundations. Let's just have girl talk. And if you have a look that you want me to do or a product, just go ahead and comment below.
Use to bronze out my face, and this is in the shade Tranquil, or if not, this is the second darkest shade. Align that with my face. I'm not gonna lie, I love a bright under eye. Okay, so we're gonna go back in again with this lighter shade. This is the 26.5, and I'm just gonna go in and we're just gonna do that. We ain't gonna go too crazy. We ain't gonna go too crazy. Okay. Y'all, I'm sitting here looking at myself in front of a camera, doing what I love to do, and I envision myself differently now. It's like, damn, girl, you are beautiful. Like, let the world tell you that you are beautiful. Like, own idea of beauty. Can't nobody tell me I'm not beautiful, because your eyes see beauty differently. Because at the end of the day, that ain't nothing but an ugly spirit deep down inside of you. Okay, I want to tell the girls, like, think differently of yourself. Thinking differently of yourself will actually change your mindset and actually push you towards you doing stuff that you actually love to do. You guys are beautiful. You're beautiful. You're very, very beautiful. And don't let nobody else tell you that you're not. Cause tell me that they said, then I'ma beat their ass, and that's on everything I love. Cause one thing about me, my mama taught me to always speak my mind and tell what needs to be told, and that's what I'ma always do. And that's on Harriet Tubman, bitch. Dang it! This is the look. This is the base. This is the base. At this base, we're gonna go in with some blush. Don't get me started. Okay, y'all, so for blushes, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. This is in Pink Promise. I'm going to go in with 4 dots this time, because you know what I'm saying? We just risking it all today, boo. The color corrector in Peachy. Apply that right here in the beginning. I'm going to go in with that same brush I used to blend out my concealer.
I don't even know what she said, cause it's fun. It's fun. It's dirty done. Like the way she falls. It's up a phone. Look the same alone. Just like it born. I don't even know what she said, but this ain't here in my head. He loves it. He loves what I'm about to do. Elle est en debout. Debout, nous allons maintenant. Quand on vient de Go say no to me. Go say no to me. Go say no to me. I can't really do what I'm making a day. What they make. I got a feeling that I can't wait. Just a feeling that I want it behind, because it's something that is on, it's on my mind. I guess it goes like na 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 I got a feeling that I can't wait. Just a feeling that I want it behind, because it's something that it's on my mind. I guess it goes like na 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 na
Maybe you are behind. Let me cook. Maybe someone else got the job first. Somebody else went viral first. Somebody else got the opportunity first. Maybe someone else won first. Maybe you are behind. But being behind doesn't mean you are failing. It means you're in line. Stay with me. If you're standing in line and there's 10, 20, 100 people ahead of you, you're behind them. But that doesn't mean you're not going to get what you want. It just means you have to wait your turn. The people ahead of you aren't your enemies or your competition. They're your proof. Proof that what you want is real, that it exists, that it's possible, and most importantly, it's proof that you can have it. You don't see the people ahead of you in line at the store and think they stole from you. You usually think, I'm next. And then you go next and you get what's yours. So why are we thinking in life that the people ahead of us are stealing from us? They didn't take your spot, they just got there first. Your spot is still yours. Your turn is still coming. The only way you can lose that spot is if you step out of the line. So stop watching who's ahead of you. Stop counting how many people got there first. Just stay in line, don't walk away, and trust the process. Because your turn is coming. God bless.
MC, make another hit.
I don't even know what she said, cause she formed. It's formed, and she got it done. Like the way she forms, and she gon' perform it. Look the same in morning, she don't stop, keep going. I don't even know what she said, but this what I hear in my head.
Il est pas fou, il aime ses coups, il la voit partout, il est en debout, debout, une rose à la main, non, quand plus rien ne le tient. Dans ses love story, dans ses love story, dans ses love story,
I got a feeling that I can't wait. Just a feeling that I want it behind, because it's something that it's on my mind. I guess it goes like na 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 it's on my mind. I guess it goes like na 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 na.
right, guys, and this is the final look. She did not come to play, baby. She is here and she is not playing. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that look good right now. That look good. That look good. That look good. Amber Corley, you have done it again, girl. You've done it again. Ooh-wee. The glass lip, I love it. MAC, you did your thing. Not gonna lie. The eyes, I'm loving every minute of it. The under eye, I'm loving every minute of it. Like the blush, the highlight, the glitter, the everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing, wonderful day. Come here, Stink. You want to say bye-bye to camera? Come here. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye.